Slow loris. The slow loris is deceptive with its wide eyes and gentle grip. It is a stealthy, nocturnal predator. Under the cover of night, it lunges with sudden calculation, snatching unsuspecting prey, like a dragonfly, midair using its lightning-fast hands. It calmly begins to feast on the creature, revealing the killer instinct beneath its cute exterior. Hunting method: nighttime stealth and a sudden, calculated lunge. Prey: dragonflies and other insects. 2. Dolphin. Dolphins seem harmless with their playful grins and sleek bodies. However, their hunting tactics are shockingly ruthless. They surge toward the shoreline in perfect coordination, forcing fish to desperately leap onto the sand. They strategize, outsmart, and dominate, often hurling their catch into the air or clutching a flailing fish firmly in their jaws. Hunting method: coordinated strategy to beach fish on the shoreline. 3. Leopard seal. In an instant, the leopard seal drives terror through a penguin flock, forcing them to flee the safety of the water. The relentless seal lunges and snatches a penguin, tightening its grip as the helpless bird thrashes violently. The predator's patience ends in a brutal, unshakable victory. Hunting method: terrorizing the flock to make them vulnerable on land, then launching a sudden attack. 4. Cassowary. The cassowary is a towering, prehistoric-looking bird that should not be underestimated. It charges with a sudden burst of aggression, its dagger-like claws slashing with deadly precision. The giant bird lunges with alarming speed, and it takes a desperate leap for a person to escape the feathered menace's fury. Killer traits: dagger-like claws and extreme speed and aggression. 5. Sugar glider. With its wide eyes and fuzzy appearance, the sugar glider seems like a harmless little creature. However, when the hunt begins, the calm instantly breaks. In one swift motion, the sugar glider seizes a fleeing insect, clutching it tightly before beginning to devour its prey without hesitation, revealing the primal predator beneath its cuddly disguise. Hunting method: swift, decisive seizing of insects. Prey: dubia roaches. 6. Domestic cat. A cat may lounge on a grassy lawn with deceptive ease, its jaw clamped around a helpless chipmunk. Beneath the seemingly playful surface lies a deadly instinct. The cat toys with its prey in a display of dominance and control, a chilling reminder that the hunter is always present beneath the purr and whiskers. Killer trait: a persistent deadly instinct and display of dominance over prey. 7. Mantis shrimp. A silent battle erupts between two armored titans, the mantis shrimp and a crab. The shrimp is fast and unpredictable, spinning with blinding speed to confuse the crab before launching a brutal kick. Its precision and power make it a lethal, unstoppable force in its underwater arena. Hunting method: blinding speed, confusing maneuvers, and powerful, explosive strikes. 8. Giant anteater. A quiet field becomes the stage for an unexpected showdown between a small dog and a giant anteater. When pushed too far, the anteater rises onto its hind legs, unfurling massive claws in a striking defensive display. The dog wisely senses the danger of the opponent's stance. Defense/attack method: rising on hind. 9. Owl. Perched under the cover of night, an owl swoops in with deadly precision, striking a nest in a flash of wings and claws. Panic ensues, and one bird vanishes, snatched by the attacker. The brutal efficiency of the owl's ambush is hauntingly clear in the eerie silence that follows. Hunting method: nighttime ambush with deadly, silent precision. 10. Frogmouth bird, tawny frogmouth. The tawny frogmouth blends seamlessly into the night, an eerie silhouette perched motionless on a branch. In a flash, it launches into the air, swift and silent. Moments later, it returns triumphantly with a moth clenched in its beak. This reveals the true nature of this silent hunter. Hunting method: stealthy camouflage followed by a swift, silent aerial launch. 11. Sea otter. A seagull glides too close to the water, unaware of the lurking danger. In a shocking burst, the sea otter lunges and clamps onto the bird's feet, dragging it toward the depths. The gull is no match for the predator's grip, and both vanish beneath the surface with barely a splash. This seemingly playful creature reveals a swift and calculated killer. Hunting method: a sudden, calculated lunge to drag the prey under the water. 12. Puffer fish. In an aquarium, the puffer fish appears peaceful next to a goldfish, but the illusion shatters in seconds. Without warning, the puffer fish lunges, sinking its powerful jaws into the goldfish and devouring it with ruthless efficiency. Its slow, gentle movements hide a sudden, savage nature few expect. Hunting method: sudden, ruthless lunging and devouring prey with powerful jaws. For a 10-hour duration. To expand this content from a short segment into a 10-hour feature, the following approaches can be used. 1. Detailed behavioral analysis depth. Focus on the why, dedicate a 30 to 45-minute segment to each animal, exploring the evolutionary necessity of their brutal hunting tactics. Example: dolphin detailed video footage and expert commentary on the specific coordinated strand feeding technique, the mathematics of the wave physics they use, and why this method is more energy efficient than solo hunting. Example: slow loris, a deep dive into its venom, one of the few venomous mammals, and how it uses this, even if the venom isn't shown in the provided clip. 2. The cute factor, contrast, emotional hook. Segment title: The Cuddly Facade. Spend 15 minutes per animal purely on the traits that make them appear harmless, e.g., the sugar glider's large eyes, the cat's purr, the otter's ability to hold hands. Contrast this with slow-motion footage of their strike. 3. Adding more. Hidden killers, breadth. As requested in the initial plan, adding more animals with a deceptive appearance is essential for the long duration. You can research and add segments on animal deceptive appearance killer trait / method estate time slot. Hippopotamus large, calm, mostly vegetarian, extremely aggressive, powerful bite, often cited as one of Africa's most dangerous animals, 45 minutes. Wolverine small, furry mammal fearless, incredible strength and ferocity when attacking larger prey, 30 minutes. Panda gentle, bamboo-eating bear, extremely powerful jaws and claws, prone to aggression if provoked, 30 minutes. Box jellyfish clear, beautiful box-shaped, most venomous animal in the world, causing rapid death, 30 minutes. Weasel small, fast, cute face, highly effective, quick killers known for attacking larger animals than themselves. Segment focus duration content description. Script points. The cute facade, 15 minutes. The hippo's deceptive appearance, round, barrel-shaped body, and seemingly placid behavior in the water. Footage of young hippos playing. Emphasis on its herbivore diet, which misleads people into thinking it is harmless. 2. Unmasking the aggression, 20 minutes. The reality: hippos kill more humans in Africa than almost any other large animal. They are fiercely territorial and highly unpredictable. Detailed analysis of their yawn as a threat display, showcasing their massive tusks. 3. Lethal attack strategy, 25 minutes. The strike. Footage and animation demonstrating the hippo's incredible speed on land, up to 30 kilometers per hour, and its ambush tactics in the water. Focus on the raw power of its bite, which can crush a crocodile or sever a boat in half. Expert discussion on the motivation for the attacks, territory, protecting young, perceived threat. Segment focus duration content description. Script points. The cute facade, 15 minutes. The wolverine's appearance, small, furry, and almost dog-like, making it seem like a harmless forest dweller.